Hello friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study. Is there any faster techniques to find my element 60 than the linear search? Yes, but for that you have to sort your data, and after sorting you have to compare your elements with the middle one. So here you are comparing your elements with the 42. So here you can see your element is bigger than middle element. So you eliminate the possibilities of first half of the list and you search your element from the remaining list. In the remaining list you compare your elements with the middle one. Is this your element? No. Again you check your element is bigger or smaller than 80. Your element is smaller than 80. So you eliminate the possibility after 80. Now you compare with the remaining element and you will find your element. So this is the faster technique than the linear search, and this technique is known as the binary search. So you can see here the algorithm of binary search, in which we are passing array, low and high variable and the key elements that you want to search. And if your element is not found, straight away you are returning the -1 that indicate the failure. Suppose if you want to search the key that is 60 here, so you call the binary search and you pass the array in which you have stored your element and you pass the low and high index. So here low index is 0 and high index is 6. Now you check the while loop condition. See here, high is greater than or equal to low. So here high is on 6 and low is on 0. So 6 is greater than 0. So your condition true. So you take the variable mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. That means 0 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 3. So now your mid is on third index in the array. Now you check the if conditions, that is your middle element is equal to key. So here you can see 60 is not equal to 42. Then you check the second condition, that is your key is bigger than the mid element. So here you can see 60 is bigger than 42. So from this you can understand your key is not available before this element. So you eliminate the possibility of your list from the first half. Here your condition, that is key is greater than mid, is true. So you go inside the condition and take the low is equal to mid plus 1. So since mid is on 3, your low is now on 4. So you can see here now your low variable is indicating the fourth index. Now you again go for the while condition. Here you can check high is greater or equal to low. High is on 6, low is on 4. 6 is greater than 4. So condition true. So again you set your mid pointer to the low plus high divide by 2. So here you have a low 4, high 6. So 4 plus 6, that is 10 divided by 2. So you have to take mid is equal to 5. Now you check your mid is equal to key. So mid is 80, key is 60. So 60 is not equal to 80. So condition false. Again you check the next conditions, that is key is greater than middle element. So here you can see key is 60, it is not greater than 80. So you can say there is no possibility of your elements after 80. So you eliminate the remaining elements for searching. Now you are going into the else part, and here you take high is equal to mid minus 1. So high is on 6 and mid is on 5. So now you take the high value is equal to 4. Now you again check your while condition, that is high is greater than or equal to low. So condition true because your high and low both are pointing to the 4. So you take your mid value is equal to low plus high divided by 2. So here mid is equal to also 4. Now you check your mid is equal to key. So here you can see 60 is equal to 60. So you return the index, that is 4. So this is how you can search your element in the binary search. So if you are talking about the best case, it means you are searching the element that is available in the middle of the list. So at the first comparisons, you will get the answer. So you can write in the best case, time complexity of binary search algorithm is big O 1. If you are talking about the average case, this algorithm is work on the logarithmic way. That means half of the elements you are ignoring every time. So if you have a 16 elements, at most you have to do the 4 comparisons. That is upper bound of the algorithm. If you have 8 element, at most you have to compare the 3 times. So it is working on log n base 2. So you can write your average case is equal to big O log n base 2. In worst case also, if you are finding your elements in the last comparisons or your element is not available in the list, you are getting the failure. But for that, you have to do the log n comparisons. So here the worst case is also big O log n. So binary search is faster than the linear search because in linear search average case running time is big O n, while here it is log n. So log n is far less than the n comparison. So algorithm is faster than the linear search. But the limitations of the binary search is first you have to sort all the elements. Then and then only you can use the binary search algorithm. So this is what all about the binary search. So if you like this video, press like and subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching and bye bye.